Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about some Indian tribes. Those tribes are very important for the upcoming UGC NET set exam and any other of exam geography related. So don't skip this video and watch the full. So let's see. First tribe, Toda tribe. Toda tribe is mainly found in Nilgiri Mountains area, Tamil Nadu. Toda people are a Dravidian ethnic group who live in the Nilgiri Mountains of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Before the 18th century and British colonization, the Toda coexisted locally with other ethnic communities including the Kota Kurumba. This is the Toda tribe, and Toda tribe culture is very important and the ancient for the geographical aspect. So Toda tribe mainly found in the Tamil Nadu region, Tamil Nadu state and the Nilgiri mountain region. Our next tribe is Khashi tribe. This is most important tribe. Khassia Jayantia hills in Meghalaya. It means this tribe is mainly found in the Khassia and Jayantia hills in the state of Meghalaya. This is the most important and most significant tribe because in India this is the only one and the only tribes which is belong to the matrilineal. The women are the main role in this culture. This is found in the Meghalaya state or the Garo Khashi Jayantia hill area. Okay. Now we see the our next tribe, Bhil tribe. Okay, Bhil tribe. This Bhil tribe is Indian, one of the most ancient tribe. This is mainly found in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. This is the most important tribe in India and the Rajasthan state. Bhil tribe. Bhil tribe. There are two divisions of Bhils: the central or pure Bhils and the eastern or Rajput Bhils. The central Bhils live in the mountain regions in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. They are known as the connecting link between the Gujaratis and the Rajasthans. And this Bhil term is derived from the word Billu, which means bow. Okay, this is very important tribe and this is found in the Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. We will see our next tribe, Lepcha tribe. This Lepcha tribe is very important because this tribe is mainly found in Sikkim and the Kalimpong district or Darjeeling district of Bardhaman. So this is the most and very significant tribe among the all the tribe. Okay, so this Lepcha tribe also called as Rongpa tribe among the indigenous peoples of Sikkim, India, Nepal. This tribe also called as Rongpa tribe. We can say that it. Okay, so this is the most important tribe. Those name is Lepcha. In this tribe, we can say that Namsong festival is the most important traditional festival. It is a traditional festival of the Bhutias, but the Lepchas also celebrate it and call it Namsong. Okay, so now we see our the next tribe, Gond tribe. This Gond tribe mainly found in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa and Chhattisgarh. The art and culture of the tribe is very important and significant. Okay, so this Gond tribe is mainly found in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa and Chhattisgarh. tribe. Next tribe is Mikir tribe. Mikir tribe is very important. So this tribe is mainly found in the hill areas of Assam. Okay, this Mikir tribe is other name is Karvis. Okay, Karvis. Karvis mentioned as the Mikir in the constitution order of the government. Okay, so Karvis mentioned as the Mikir in the constitution order of the government of India. And Assam till 1976 are one of the major ethnic communities in northeast India, and especially in the hill areas of Assam. So Mikir tribe is also known as the Karvis tribe, and this is found in the state of Assam. Okay, now we'll see the next tribe, Kuki. Kuki tribe is one of the very important tribe, and this tribe is mainly found in the Nagaland, some part of Manipur, and southeastern part of Mizoram. Okay, so Kuki tribe. The Kuki people are an ethnic group native to the Mizo Hills, a mountainous region in the southeastern part of Mizoram. The Kuki constitute one of several hill tribes within India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. In northeast India, they are present in all states except Arunachal Pradesh. It means this tribe found in any kind of state in the southeastern area, but Arunachal Pradesh is the only state where this tribe cannot be found so easily. Okay. The next tribe is Jarwa. So Jarwa tribe is mainly and one of the most important tribe in our list. Jarwa tribe is mainly found parts of South Andaman and middle of Andaman Island. Okay, the Jarwa tribe from the Andamans until recently one of Asia's last isolated jungle tribes of hunter gatherers. Okay, these Jarwa tribes face many threats nowadays. The road that cuts through their territory brings thousands of outsiders, including tourists, into their land. The tourists treat the Jarwa like an animal in a safari park. So this tribe is very threatened by the tourist, and this another problem regarding this Jarwa tribe is they nowadays it noticed that they are face some sexual harassment by the some tourist people. So Jarwa tribe is very important not only for their culture, but also this is the most and the oldest and the finest isolated jungle tribes which is established and nowadays. Okay, now we'll see our tribal group. The next tribal group, Santhal tribal or Sautal tribal. This tribal group is mainly found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, Tripura, Assam, and this tribe is mainly and maximum found in Jharkhand, and second position have West Bengal. This Sautal tribe has some significant characteristics and important culture. Okay, the Santal or Sautal are a Munda ethnic group native to India. Sautals are the largest tribe in the Jharkhand state of India in terms of population, and are also found in the state of Assam, Tripura, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and West Bengal. Okay, so this is very important. Now we will see some of the important tribal groups all over the India. First of all, Asur. This is found in West Bengal and Bihar. Second, Bodo. This is found in Assam. And third is Gujjar. This is found in Jammu Kashmir. And next, Singpo. This is found in Arunachal Pradesh. And fourth, Toto. This found is the state of West Bengal. And next, Tharu. Tharu. This tribe is found in the state of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. The next, Baiga. Baiga. This tribal group found in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so those are the main tribal groups of India. These tribal groups are very important for the upcoming exam. So if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and comment below in the comment section. And if you like this, please share with your friends and told them to also subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you. Then next we will see our next video. Okay, thank you.